and I have found the reason why we're not going to do that. We've got an avalanche prone slope, so we've got a load of fluff on the top here. We've then got a layer here. Can you get this, please? We've got this one here, which is really nice. When we're walking, we're cracking through that layer there, and up, and then it's going down onto this one and letting the top slide off. And we've got this one here, another layer, and then sometimes we're going through both, so the whole thing goes. And then we got this big Bertha layer here. So we got one, broke that off. One there, another one there. Come down a bit, just get the shadow. And then down here we got this big one here, which you've got to hit really hard to break through. So I think that one's probably all right. And then we got another load here, and then there's another one down there. So we've decided that with the slope aspect in question, we're going to not do it. So 1, 4, 2, all this stuff, 3. There she goes, and boom.